Welcome to another video from Traveling Kangaroo. Today we're diving into what I believe is the easiest way to immigrate to Europe. As you might know, there are several paths to moving to Europe: becoming a student, finding a job, or even marrying someone from the region. However, in this video, we'll focus on what I consider the simplest option for non-EU citizens. This method gives you the freedom to live, work, study, and tap into the European market, opening up a world of opportunities. Before we jump in, a quick reminder: if you're planning to travel, relocate, or invest abroad, don't forget to subscribe to Traveling Kangaroo. Check out our other videos packed with tips for people from the USA, Canada, the UK, Latin America, and South Africa who are considering a move. Let's get started. While many think immigrating to Europe is a complex process, it's often more straightforward than expected. There are numerous visa and residence permit options, and if you're determined, there's likely a path to Europe that suits you. That said, some options can be more challenging or require significant financial investment. One popular route is becoming a student in Europe. This allows you to pursue an education, gain employment after graduation, and eventually qualify for permanent residency or citizenship. While this is a great option, it does come with limitations. Student visas are usually tied to your educational program, and work hours may be restricted, offering less flexibility for those seeking broader opportunities. Now let's discuss what I consider the easiest way to immigrate to Europe: the Portugal D7 visa, often called the Portugal Retirees Visa. It's not just for retirees or older individuals. Anyone, regardless of nationality or age, can apply as long as they are not an EU citizen. Why is the D7 visa so accessible? It involves minimal bureaucracy, requires a relatively low financial threshold, and offers great freedom. This visa allows you to live in Portugal and access the Schengen area with modest financial requirements. To qualify, you need to demonstrate a minimum income of €635 per person per month. For couples or families, additional income is needed based on a percentage of Portugal's minimum wage. This income doesn't have to come from a pension. It can come from rental properties, dividends, business profits, or royalties, as long as it's consistent and provable. Initially, the visa is issued for 1 year and can be renewed annually. After 5 years, you're eligible for permanent residency. What's more, the D7 visa provides a direct pathway to Portuguese citizenship. After living in Portugal for 5 consecutive years, you can apply for citizenship, a much shorter time frame than most European countries require. One major advantage of the D7 visa is its flexibility. Unlike other visas, it allows you to work in Portugal. Whether you want to take up local employment, start a business, or work remotely, the D7 visa offers the freedom to design your own career path while enjoying life in Portugal. Portugal also stands out for its affordable cost of living compared to many other Western European countries. Whether you're renting a home, dining out, or shopping, costs in Portugal are significantly lower than in countries like Germany or France. Paired with its pleasant weather, historic cities, and welcoming community, Portugal offers an exceptional lifestyle that blends work and leisure effortlessly. Ideal for expats seeking high quality at a reasonable cost. Portugal's healthcare system is one of the best in Europe. D7 visa holders have access to public healthcare, which is both affordable and reliable. From routine checkups to specialized care, you can rest assured your health needs will be met. For those who prefer private healthcare, Portugal offers excellent private hospitals and clinics at a fraction of the cost compared to the US or the UK. In my opinion, the Portugal D7 visa is the easiest way to immigrate to Europe. While other options exist across the continent, the simplicity and benefits of this visa make it an outstanding choice for anyone considering relocation. If you're excited about moving, traveling, or investing abroad, make sure to subscribe to Traveling Kangaroo for more insights and tips. Don't miss our other videos filled with in-depth advice to guide you. See you next time on Traveling Kangaroo.